Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
Mike Ferguson.
Mike Ferguson. Mike, you're at B&B Automotive on Route 1 in Fairless Hills today, and you're making your first car that you ever bought, right today?
Yeah.
Exciting?
Yeah.
That's great. But this is not your first experience, or actually your family's first experience with the dealership. Tell me about that.
Yeah, my mom bought a minivan back, probably about 10 years ago when she had my brother. She was like, oh, I need a minivan. She went looking around and came here.
Yeah, and actually here then was in Croydon, right on Route 13.
Yeah.
And since then we've moved and upgraded and have a beautiful facility.
Yeah, that's what she was talking about when we first got here.
Yeah, it's quite different, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the first one in the early days, we were pretty crammed into that facility, but here we got a great big lot to show cars, and we even have a movie theater built in here. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you do for a living?
I do HVAC, and then I have another job doing a bus monitor.
Oh, no kidding. What level of kids you do that? I mean, you're on the bus with kids?
Yeah, I mostly work with special needs and anybody, pretty much a lot of different kids with different disabilities.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's an important job. Good for you. And we chatted a little bit before we started here, and I understand that you have training as a fireman, right?
Yeah, I've been doing 5 years.
5 years, okay. And that, I assume, is in Bristol too, right?
Yeah.
You're from Bristol. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's great. Oh, and the best news of all, I almost forgot, is tell me why you really need to have a car this week.
Baby comes next Friday, supposed to,
Wow.
or sooner. So.
Okay, well that's terrific. So we have to have a way to drive home from the hospital. Right?
Yeah.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, Mike, congratulations on the new one coming into your family, and thank you very much for the purchase here too.
Thank you guys.
And we're going to go and spin the big prize wheel now and see what you get out of that. All right.
All right.
Thank you. Okay, Mike, you ready to spin the big prize wheel?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll just tell you real quickly. We have what we have here: a number of gift cards, and then there's a spin again in case you don't get anything the first time. But the two big prizes are a paid vacation and also a really nice gas grill. So, see what you can do. Give it a shot. Gift card. Well, thank you very much, Mike.